Hi, welcome to the Chinese Handwriting YouTube channel. Memorizing characters. The most common Chinese radicals explained in English. Today, let's talk about 双人旁. Characters with 双人旁 are walking or road related. This radical usually on the left side of a character. For example, 行 means go or walk. 往 the past. 徘徊 hang about. 徘徊 hang about. In fact, you can also find 双人旁 in many Chinese adjectives such as 很 means very. 很 or we. Tiny. 徐 slowly. When you write 双人旁 in cursive, you can write it like this. For example, 街 street 街道 街径 footpath 径 die stay. And next one, 中 expedition. 双人旁 行 go walk 往 past 徘徊 hang about 很 very 微 tiny 徐 slowly 街 straight 径 footpath die stay 中 expedition. Okay, please comment any other words or sentences with the character 双人旁. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.